everyone! Are you ready for our trip?
Yes, we have all our bags packed.
I have my favorite red backpack here. And I have my yellow teddy bear.
Did we bring the big blue umbrella?
It is in the trunk of the car.
I am so excited to go camping. Me too. I love sleeping in a tent.
Then let us get in the car now.
Everyone, please put on your seatbelts.
My seatbelt is on and I am ready. I am ready for the adventure too.
Look at the beautiful green trees outside.
The sun is shining very bright today.
Can we play a game in the car? Let us play the color game now.
I see something that is the color red. Is it that big red truck over there? Yes, you are very good at this game.
Look, the sky is turning gray now.
It looks like some rain is coming.
It is just a little summer storm.
The rain sounds very loud on the roof.
I will turn on the windshield wipers.
The windows are all wet and blurry.
I cannot see the road very clearly.
Please drive slowly to keep us safe.
That was a very loud thunder sound. I am scared of the loud noise.
Hold my hand and take a deep breath.
Oh no! The car feels very bumpy!
Did we hit something on the road?
I think we have a flat tire.
Are we stuck here in the rain? I want to go home right now.
We must pull over and stop the car.
Stay calm. Stay calm. We are safe inside here.
I will call for help on my phone.
Who will come to help us, Dad?
I am calling the roadside assistance service.
They help people with car problems.
Hello, we have a flat tire here.
We are on the main road near the park.
Okay, we will wait in the car.
How long will we have to wait?
Help is coming very soon. Do not worry.
Look! I see a flashing yellow light.
It is the mechanic in the truck.
Hello! Is everyone doing okay in there? We are fine, but tires is flat. Please stay inside while I fix the tire. Thank you. We will wait right here.
He is working very fast in the rain. He has a big tool in his hand.
The tire is fixed. and you are safe. Thank you so much for your help. Drive carefully and have a nice trip.
We will drive slowly and be very careful.
Peppa. Thank you. Goodbye and stay safe.
Now we can go to the campsite.
I am happy that the car is fixed. The rain is stopping now, too.
See, everything is okay in the end.
We are almost at the camping ground.
Remember to stay calm and ask for help.
We did a good job today, family. Let's go have fun on our trip.
Here we are, safe and sound.
If you like our story, please subscribe.